with Standard Daily paper, writing that the Albanian opposition leader Ulzim Basha met with the Shëngjin fishermen and promised no excise on oil for each of them, easier licensing procedures, lower fees, shipyard for repairs, etc. He promised that on the first week in power, his government will repeal all corrupted lagoon concessions. The opposition leader underlined that the building of a shipyard for repairs will be a priority of his government. We pass on to Ship Daily, underlining that the leaders of the three opposition parties in Kosovo were not convinced by President Atiqet Jaraga to sit and discuss a solution for the parliament stalemate. The leaders of the three opposition parties say there will be no negotiations if the government doesn't step back from the agreements with Serbia and Montenegro. Mr. Armenian leader of the self-determination movement says that their requests were made clear to the president, and the opposition is determined to continue the protest. Meanwhile, Fatmir Limay, chairman of the initiative, said that the coalition should not make the situation more tense through unnecessary appeals for a parliamentary session. And finally, Mapo Daily highlights that the prosecution is constantly failing, with notorious cases with defendants ending up not guilty. The chairman of the Association of Prosecutors, Haidari, thinks that the responsibility should focus on how the investigations are carried out. The prosecutor of appeal confirmed the reform is expected to bring novelties which give responsibility directly to the prosecutor. When we say that we take them to court and the court finds them not guilty, I think that this problem will be over with the expected amends. Prosecutors will be more careful for a case because they will be reviewed professionally, Haidari declared. The analytical document for the prosecution identified as a problem the politicization of the process for appointing the prosecutor general and the lack of independence in an investigation. The appointing and promoting of prosecutors was considered as a process not based on professional basis, since the role of the prosecution is seen as insignificant. For this, the expected reforms will change the High Council of the Prosecution, which will receive full competencies to appoint prosecutors, but also to nominate the Prosecutor General. That's all about Press Review for today. Radio Tirana.
Albania under the European Union integration process.